This is a step-by-step guide on setting up an eSIM on your Android device. Before you begin, make sure that you have a strong internet connection, ideally from a Wi-Fi network or a good 4G connection. Check that your phone supports the eSIM function. Check on our website, a device that is network unlocked. Now let's start. To begin, go to Settings, then Connections, SIM Manager, and tap Add eSIM. Choose Scan QR Code, scan the QR code, and tap Add. Leave your calls and messages set to your original primary SIM. Tap Mobile Data, select Installed eSIM, and tap Change. To use data abroad, enable data roaming. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, and make sure that data roaming is on. And that's it! Your Android device is now eSIM ready. Enjoy the convenience of Simfinity data plan and stay connected wherever you go. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.